Yeah, she said this Peggy lady has been here for a couple days up here from Chicago, has no vehicle. She don't know how she gets transported around here and there. But
So she's probably, are you recording?
no, yeah.
Yeah, so she's probably a problem child then.
Yeah.
Well, the dogs are fine. 4-3 will be clearing. No need to hold the channel. I don't think she realized she shut it. Miss, where's this door go to? Miss, we'll have you wait out there just for now. Where's this door go to? Okay, okay.
So the front door is the only access to the house? I thought she was talking about this door.
No, there's another door over here. That's the one you pulled on the other side.
Yep.
I'm just gonna creak it and we'll try not to let the dogs out.
Right.
Sheriff's office, if you're in the house, make yourself known. You just want to check the doors behind us.
Police department, is anybody here? Make yourself known. Hello? Police department? Police department, anybody here? Let us know. Alright. I'm out in the living room.
You're in the living room?
Yep.
Alright, it circles around. I'll meet you. Just hold there for a second.
Yep.
I got a basement down here. Alright, I'm coming out through the living room this way. I'll hold here if you want to move into the kitchen. Good over there?
Good.
Alright.
That door is just a closet. I can check it.
This one?
No, the one back here off the kitchen.
Okay. If you want to open it, it's all you.
Police department, anybody here? Stuff in front of the closet.
Alright, we got the basement just right over here. Sheriff's Department, if you're in the house, make yourself known now. Looks like it breaks both right and left.
Okay. He's left, I'll take it.
Okay. Okay. I think we're clear. No, it was probably Peggy. Peggy probably accidentally opened the garage door and stopped it thinking it would go down and didn't.
Yep.
403 building clear.
Garage door open.
There's the alarm.
Just advising building clear.
My niece went to Chicago, but she does not have a